What's happening here?
Oh, there.
You're cooking?
Yeah. Dinner.
What will you make?
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew, but how do you call it in Tagalog?
Afritada.
Afritada?
Yeah, we're going to use fresh tomatoes.
Fresh tomatoes. Chicken without bones. Ooh. What's this? What's going to happen here?
We're going to make rice.
No rice cooker?
No. The tomato needs to cook, really cook.
Okay, so what did we do in the meantime? We did go live on Facebook, so that's why I need to make a new video now. This is basmati rice. This is the rice which we did already cook. And the fun fact is, in the Philippines, how big sacks do you buy?
25 kilos.
25 kilos. Okay, imagine 25 kilos. Yes. That's not 25 kilos. That's only 400 grams. Look, so small. It's already cooking. It needs to cook only 10 minutes. We don't have a rice cooker, so it's so. Ooh, sorry.
Bell pepper.
So it's going like this in water. It's cooking. We're going to add worteltjes en dopertjes.
Yeah, what are you saying?
Yes.
It's just green peas and
Carrots.
baby carrots.
Baby carrots? Oh, so sad. The baby carrots go inside. Oh.
2, 3, 4. But yeah, I need to make a fritada in a Dutch way with so much vegetables.
But that's yummy, yes? So many vegetables.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, let's cook.
Yeah, we're cooking it.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Ready?
I will focus on the rice before the rice is going to be
Burned.
burned. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You're really curious what Mem will think about the food, yes? Oh, did you hear that? Mem said we could put pineapple through it.
Ja.
You still want pineapple in it now?
Pak het maar een beetje, ja. Het is wel lekker fris.
We first want to know if Mem likes it now.
Ja, zal ik proeven?
Oh. Ooh. What does she say? Ooh. Ooh.
Nice, very nice.
Okay, so let's eat?
Yes, eat.
Let's eat. Afritada. Afritada.
Bij dan?
Yeah, it's really nice with pineapple.